Hello, we're going to make a video, and this video will demonstrate creating an Anaconda, excuse me, Anaconda conda virtual environment. A conda virtual environment is a solution when a user wants to have more control over the Python packages in a conda environment. Often these packages a user may desire will conflict with the package versions that exist in the base package. In this specific instance, there was a conda Python package named digits that would not install into the current base Anaconda 3 package. So we are demonstrating how to create a Python virtual environment with Python 2.7. There will be another video that will demonstrate how to install the digits and the TensorFlow GPU packages. Okay, and that should be digits. Okay, so we're going to let's get started here. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to get into our base Anaconda package, and if you remember, if you go to eceteachinglabs.cc.lehigh.edu and click on this Documents tab and come down here to Anaconda HPC, you'll arrive at this page right here. So I'm going to do a right click and I'm going to copy that text. Then I'll come up here into the terminal and I'll paste that text. And this is going to source the file at this path here. So I'll hit enter and you can see I've now gone into the base Anaconda environment. So that tells me what environment I'm in. And let's just see what environments we have currently here. So I'll say conda info --envs. That's for environments. And I hit enter. Okay, so the only environment I have right now is the Anaconda 2019.10 environment, and that's my base environment. Okay, so inside of conda here, now what I can do is to create the virtual environment. I can type conda create -n, because the thing that comes after -n is going to be the name of the virtual environment. So I'm going to call this Python 2.7 for 2.7 -env, and what I want to go into this virtual environment, and partly the whole reason for typing it, is I'm going to type Python equals 2.7. Now after this Python equals 2.7, I could type the word digits and it would install the Python 2.7 and theoretically install the digits. I'm going to break the installs up, and the other thing I could put here at the end is I could put Anaconda, and what that should do is that should install the entire all the Anaconda packages that normally come with a general Anaconda install. If I do just the Python 2.7, I'll have a smaller install. I'm going to go with a smaller install, so I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to hit enter. And it's out there looking. Okay, so these are the packages that it's going to tell me that it's going to install. So I'm going to go ahead and tap yes, and then it's going to start installing these. Now, one of the things to be aware of is these virtual environment installs, they can take quite a while. So what we're going to do is we're going to pause the video, and right now it's downloading and extracting the packages. After it downloads and extracts the packages, then it will install them. But I'm going to pause the video and come back in a little while. Okay, now we're all done. The Python 2.7 environment is done, and you can see here it has a statement when it finishes. Um, what you can do is you can type conda activate Python 27 env. Um, and then to leave the a Python environment, you can type conda deactivate, and that will take you out. So another thing, let's do this. We'll type conda info -envs, and I missed one dash there. It should be --envs, and here it's telling us that we now have two environments created. The little asterisk shows us which environment is active. So let's type conda activate Python 27-env, and you'll see over there on the far left hand side of the line it shows the currently activated Python environment that we're in. It says Python 27-env. So let's rerun that command conda info -envs, and you'll see that the little asterisk has moved up to the Python 27-env environment. And so that shows us that. Here I can do a conda list, and it will show us the packages that are currently installed. As you can see, it's a much smaller package group than what is in the regular basic Anaconda default install. Excuse me. Again, we could have gotten that same size of install if on the install statement we had typed Anaconda at the end, and we would have gotten a whole bunch of packages. So that's pretty much it. What we can do here is I think conda-v will give us a version, so it's conda version 4.8.1, and that's pretty much what it takes to install a virtual environment. We now have a virtual environment with Python 2.7, and hope that was helpful, and thanks for listening.